Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add an aircraft model in the Planes Live application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines button at the top of the page on the right. And then at the search bar, type any aircraft model that you want. And then just click on that and then click on the add button. And it is there. And then just click on the done button to save it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.